Hey everyone, it's Jordan, and it's time for a vocabulary challenge, bathroom edition. So for this activity, I am going to show you an object that's in my bathroom. Then you need to guess the word of the object that I'm showing. Are you ready? Soap dispenser. Hair dryer. Tissue holder. Hair straightener. Night light. Nail trimmer. Bath mat. Shower curtain. Faucet. So how'd you do? Let us know what other kind of vocabulary challenges you would like to see in the comments below.